Hello there, this is Zachary Day, and this is my report on reporting the demographics of Hutchinson, Kansas, and excuse me, and Trinity Catholic School. So you'll see right here that the total population of Hutchinson is 41,808 people, and this is as of 2015. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see that the median age is 38.1. Population by age, 13% 0 to 9, 12% 10 to 19. Okay. Race and ethnicity, 80% white, less than 4%, a little over 4% black. Pacific Islander, 12% Hispanic. 12% Hispanic. That's something to pay attention to. Males dominate over females by 2 percentage points. 51% male, 49% female. Income per capita income, $22,475. Median household income, $42,350. On the low side, as you can see, the average in Kansas is $52,000. Or 80% of the amount in Kansas, $52,000. Poverty, 13.9% below the poverty line. Most children are not living in poverty, but 17% are. $16-minute travel time to work. Average number per household, 2.4. Okay. Married couples, 62%. Excuse me. Marital status, 50% married. That makes sense. Let's see, never married, 31%, 22%, 52, 42 there, forced, 14, 18%. Let's see, there's some other interesting statistical data. $91,500 median value of a house here in Hutchinson, so that's on the low side. Alright. Educational attainment, that's important. High school grad or higher, 87.6%. Only 20% of people have a bachelor's degree or higher. Post-grad, 6%. Persons with language other than English spoken at home, 9%. And as we'll see when we get to the school statistics, that's going to be higher at my school. Let's go ahead and look at that now. Hold on. This is the state testing information. We're not quite ready for that. Alright, sorry about that. That was my fault. So you can see here, enrollment for Trinity Catholic School, and this is 7th grade through 12th grade, is 265 students. Male to female ratio, we have slightly more females than males. 50.19% female, 49.81% male. Now if we go to filter selection here and go down to race, we can look at the racial makeup of the school. So we have 62.64% white, which is 20% lower than the city average. And you'll notice here 32% Hispanic population, which is 20% higher than the city. So there's kind of like a disproportionate amount there. So when we're thinking about demographics and teaching and those kind of things, that's culturally significant, meaning that's something you need to take notice of in the classroom, people's different backgrounds. Economically disadvantaged. If you take a look here, about 21.5 economically disadvantaged students at the school. 78.49% are not. Excuse me. And then I think the other thing I wanted to look at was the English language learners. Okay, 8.68% English language learners. Now, we have a lot of foreign exchange students at my school in comparison to the amount of students we have going to the school. So a lot of that comes from there. And then we have students whose language is not primarily English at home. English language learners from Hispanic families. So there are a couple of those students around as well. That, and then let's take a look at disability real quick. If we look at disabilities, there's about 4% of students who have disabilities at the school. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that we're a private school, and excuse me, we don't have as many resources as a state-funded school. So students with disabilities would probably be more likely to go to a state-funded school where they could get more access to fit their educational needs. Speaking of educational needs, let's go ahead and take a brief look at the performance levels here. This is specifically for, I wanted to look at the ELA ones because that's what I teach. If we look here, we'll see that normally, if we're looking at 2015 to 2015 here, you'll see state level, they have 20% at level 1. 2015, we had 1.18%. Level 2, 37.24. 19. 34. 57 in the green. 7% in the level 4 section there. And we had 21%. Now if you look at the totals, for 2016, you'll see we had significantly more in the red category. 6% there, and we had 17 here, and then statewide there was 37% in that category. We had 50% in the green, 28% in the blue there. So overall, we did pretty well on the state testing from what this says. I'm actually not sure that's accurate because when I looked at this earlier, those are not the numbers it was showing me. Maybe I was looking at math. Nope. I don't know what I was looking at earlier. Okay. Well, anyway, so that's kind of what we're looking at as far as state testing goes. Normally we do pretty well at state testing. Our scores this last year, people were not satisfied with, so we're getting a lot of pressure to do better on those. But for the most part, we do pretty well. All right, thanks for watching.